Setšhaba sa Mazulu se tshwere megono se ke ka ge Kgoši Goodwill Zwelithini a hlokofetše lehu la gagwe le makaditšwe badudi ba Afrika Borwa. Zwelithini o be amogetše bookelong lebaka la go feta kgwedi. Mo lebakeng le Kgoši Mangosuthu maemong a gagwe bjalo ka moemedi wa ntlo ya bogoši bja setšhaba sa Mazulu o ile a tsebiša gore go amogela ga Kgoši bookelong e be ile karolo ya go lekola seemo sa lephelo la gagwe le go ya godimo lefase ga bolwetši bja sekiri. Le mo lebakeng le la kgwedi Buthelezi o tšwetše pele ka go tsebiša kgatelopele ya seemo sa lephelo la gagwe.
His Majesty entered hospital to attend high glucose levels. He was not and is still not frail in any way. Even this morning, he is fully mobile and is continuing treatment for unstable glucose.
Ge a tsebiša ka go hlokofala ga Kgoši Zwelithini, Buthelezi o kgontišeditše babegaditaba gore Kgoši o hlokofetše ka lebaka la COVID-19. Bjalo ka karolo ya setšo sa Mazulu, ge Kgoši a hlokofetše, mediro ka moka ya setšo e swanela ke go šutišwa. Le e tla ba legala mathomo Kgoši a sa tsenele moletlo wa go bula ga lekgotlatheramolao.
The king's body will be conveyed to the palace, hopefully this afternoon, where we hope we'll lie in state for a couple of days so that anyone in the nation can do so. But of course I must warn that this happened at the most difficult time because of COVID-19. In other words, that we should observe all the protocols.
Ditaba di le bjalo, mmušo wa province o fegile meletlo ka moka ya mmušo go hlompha Kgoši. Dithulaganyo tša poloko di sa tlo tsebišwa gausunyane.
President Cyril Ramaphosa o tsebišitše gore Kgosikgolo Goodwill Zwelithini o tla hwetša poloko ya semmušo ya legato la pele. Makgotla a dipolitiki ka go fapana ga ona a boletše ge a thušitšwe le go swabišwa ke lehu la Kgosikgolo Goodwill Zwelithini.
We were shocked because there was hope that he was recovering, and the fact that he has gone is a shock to us. We wished it wouldn't happen because there was stability in that part of the country.
We are saddened by his passing, but we celebrate his life as a leader, not only for the Zulu people, but for the entire people of the African continent. As you know, that history tells us in terms of his involvement, even during the times of apartheid, when the regime wanted to create divisions amongst the black people of this country, he stood firm and embraced everyone who lived in the area of Mazulu. So we appreciate his legacy.
We want to convey our condolences to the royal family at large, and also in particular to Prince Mangosuthu, the traditional Prime Minister of the Zulu monarch, who has to bear the dreadful burden of informing the nation of these sad news.
I worked closely with him during the time I was still in Transkei, in charge of Transkei, especially when the period of the violence in the early 90s. He used to call and say, "General, please, there are relatives of mine who are on their way to Transkei. Please provide protection until they are satisfied that the violence has subsided in that part of the world."
He was a great unifier among the Zulu nation. He is leaving very big shoes that we hope will be filled soon, so that the people who he has been leading will not feel that great loss.
This is indeed a very sad day for the country. The news of the passing of King Goodwill Zwelithini is a real shock to us.
A sad day for the nation, it's a sad day for the royal family. We all know the prominent role the king played to bring peace in KwaZulu-Natal and to the country. We know the prominent role the king played in preserving the Zulu culture.
For His Majesty the King Goodwill Zwelithini was a breed of monarchs who epitomized developmental monarchs. He stood for his people and represented them well. He was the voice of the voiceless, the father of the nation, and indeed a nation builder himself.